Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Qservers. I make videos around make money online, around affiliate marketing, around Facebook ad, and so many other ways that you can actually make money online. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, or this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting this subscribe button and turn the notification bell to all, so once I upload a new video, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like, so that YouTube will get to recommend this video to other people. And don't forget as well to share this video with your friends. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create your own WhatsApp link and with a custom message, so that when next time people ask for your WhatsApp number, all you need to do is give them your WhatsApp link and they chat you directly with not even adding your phone number. You know, these days nobody has all the time for themselves. They prefer to do something sharp and get away with it. So instead of giving them your number to save your number, it's preferable you just give them your WhatsApp link and you'll get your WhatsApp number saved and chat you on WhatsApp. So what you need to do right now is go to your browser and type and search for https://create.wa link. Click on that. It works on PC. If you have a computer, it works on computer. If you have a smartphone, it also works on your smartphone. And as you can see it right here, this is the website as it has opened. Or you can simply go to Google. Just go to Google and search for how to create WhatsApp link. How to create a WhatsApp link. Then you're going to see it right here. As you can see it right here. So all you need to do is click on it to open it. If you have a smartphone, you can use it. If you have a computer, you can use it. So click on create, then it will open. So back to the website, create a WhatsApp link. WhatsApp link is the most popular WhatsApp link generator worldwide. So you are going to create it right now. So as you can see, create your free link here. So you need to select your country. The first thing you need to do, type your WhatsApp phone number. You type your WhatsApp phone number. You see my WhatsApp number is already saved. Make sure you select your country. It is important you select your country. Right here I'm in Nigeria. I select Nigeria. Then custom message. You need to customize your message. How do you want your message to look like? And this is a message when you give people this WhatsApp link. This is a message that are going to automatically send to you. So if those guys are kind of form of sending hi and they run away, they're not going to do that. This particular message is going to be a message that you have customized already. So you can type your message right here. Welcome to my DM. Or welcome to my WhatsApp masterclass, where how we be working you through how to make over 200k with WhatsApp marketing. But before we get into business, before we get into business, I would want you to save my number with announcing, and see the way I'm writing this message with announcing. So know how to draft your message. And what would you have me save yours? You can see, so you can just draft your message. It could be very short message and it could be long. You can see right here, welcome to my WhatsApp master class, where I will be walking you through how to make over 200k with WhatsApp marketing. But before we get into business, I would want you to save my number with announcing. And what would you have me save yours? You see, very simple message, not necessarily must be long. And once you have written this message this way, all you need to do is click on generate my web link. Then you click, it's going to generate a web link for you. That is a WhatsApp link for you. You can see this is your WhatsApp short link. You can see this is the link right here. This is your WhatsApp link right here. So you go down to copy it. You click on copy. Then once you have clicked on copy, you look for a place to save this WhatsApp link. You can go to your WhatsApp and save it, or save it on your notepad, or whichever place that is preferable to you. So let's test what we have done. Paste it here on your browser and let's see what we have done so far. Let's see. You can see it right here. You can see this is my WhatsApp number. You can see the message we have written. Welcome to my WhatsApp master class, where I will be walking you through how to make over 200k with WhatsApp marketing. But before we get into business, I would want you to save my number with announcing. And what would you have me save yours? So then once the person have gotten that link, you just click on continue to chat, and it directly connect with you and begin to chat with you. So guys, this is how to create your own WhatsApp link. And if you get value from this video, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends on social media. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so when next I upload a new video YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And guys, if you have a question for me concerning this video, don't forget to leave the question for me at the comment section down below. See you again.